Hi everyone. So let's see what we are going to cover in this session today. So we'll start with string modifications in Python today. So in Python we have strings and we can do a lot of modifications on top of a string. So we will cover uppercase, lowercase, how to remove white spaces, replace and split. So these are some operations which we can perform on a strings in Python, and we will cover because these modifications are very important whenever you are developing any application or writing any framework, right? So you have to modify a lot of strings depending on the business use case. So that's why it's very important to learn how we can do string modifications in Python. So let's see the demo now. So for demo, let's say we have a string. So I have Visual Studio Code on my screen, and we have this variable x which contains how are you, right? This x contain anything, but for example I have taken this string how are you. Okay, so if I use a print function on x, so let's see what we'll get. So it will simply print the string x, and in the console we are getting the output how are you, right? Now let's say I want to convert it into the uppercase. The entire string x I want to print into the uppercase. Okay, so this is example of uppercase, right? So in order to convert into uppercase, what we can do, so we can call one of the string functions. So since x is a string, if I do dot, I can see bunch of methods available in this x. So there is one method upper. So if I got x dot upper and then a bracket, correct? And let's see if I run this program, what should I get? So as we can see, we are getting capital version of the string how are you. Let me delete and run again so that it is more visible. As you can see in the terminal logs, we can see how are you is getting printed in all uppercase, right? Now let's say I want to print into lowercase, right? So this is example of uppercase, and now let's say I want to print the entire stuff in lowercase. So how I can do, I can again call print function, and in this case I will call x dot lower. So it is pretty simple, right? Let me comment the previous. So it's pretty simple. So x is equal to how are you, and I want to print the entire string into lowercase, correct? If I run this, so now we can see this h has become smaller, and rest of the stuffs were already in lowercase. But the point to be noticed is now in the output every character is in lowercase, right? So using these inbuilt functions of a string in Python, we can use to convert a given string into uppercase and lowercase. It's simple, just call upper method and lower method. Now let's say we have a bunch of white spaces. So you got some string like this, right? And now if I use simple print function, correct, and print x, so you notice in the given string we have a lot of spaces, and in the output also we are getting this space, right? In the terminal it's not visible exactly, but we can notice that this how are you got shifted. And let me put a bunch of more spaces, and we can see more. As you can see, this how are you is now here. So let's say you have this kind of a string who has which has a bunch of spaces before and after, and you want to remove these white spaces, and then you want to print x, correct? So for that we can use strip method. So Python provides this strip method. So we can call x dot strip. What is strip function will do, it will remove the spaces from the beginning of the string and from the ending of the string, correct? So as we can see in the output now, so this was the previous output, but now we have output with white spaces removed. Okay, and same way, if for some reason if you want to remove the, what to say, beginning spaces, not the ending spaces, in that case you can use, there is one more method like x dot lstrip. So what lstrip will do, it will remove these spaces from the left side, from the beginning of the string. Okay, so let me run this lstrip. So lstrip has removed from the beginning of the string, but here there are spaces, but because in console we are not able to visualize, but there are spaces. And on the same logic, if we want to remove the spaces from right side, but we want to preserve spaces in the beginning, right? So for that purpose we can use another function, which is rstrip, which is remove the spaces from the right hand side. So rstrip and brackets. So this is a string which has spaces in the beginning and at the end. Now I am calling x.rstrip, which will remove the spaces from the right side, and these spaces will not be removed. So let me run this. As you can see, right side spaces got removed, but there are still spaces in the beginning of the string in the left hand side, and this was the previous output, right? So there were no spaces on the left hand side, but here we have spaces. So essentially what I'm trying to explain is there is a strip function we can use to remove the spaces, and we have flexibility to remove the spaces from the beginning or from the end by using lstrip or rstrip function. All right, now let's move on to another topic. So this is our string. Okay, let me remove these spaces. Okay, now there is one more method. Let's say I want to remove, in fact I want to replace this h with w. Okay, I want to replace this h character with w. So how? So this is a case scenario of replacement. So this is scenario of hash replacement. So how we can perform this operation? I want to remove, in place of how are you, I want to see wow are you. It doesn't make sense, but I just for example I'm taking this wow are you. So for that we can use replace function. So x is a string dot replace. So this replace function is also provided by Python. In replace we can pass two parameters. So I want to replace h with comma w. All right, as simple as that. So I want to replace h with w. So first parameter is what you want to replace, and second parameter is with what you want to replace. All right, so if I run this, so we should see the output, and as we can see in the terminal log, so we got the output wow are you. Okay, wow are you, we got. So we can use this replace function to replace any character, any substring with anything. All right, now let's say you want to, there's another scenario. Let's say you want to split these characters, sorry, these substrings. So how are you, you want to extract these words from a given string, correct? So for that we can use a split function. So Python also provides a split function. So what we can do, print x dot split. And in split function we have to provide on what basis you want to split this string. So I want to split on the basis of these spaces, right? So I will say split by spaces. So when we say we want to split by spaces, which means if we don't provide any parameter, so by default this split function will split this string into spaces and you will get a list of these substrings, correct? So let me run this. So as we can see in the output, we got a list which contains how are you, correct? We got the substrings, and let's say in our given, this is comma separated string, correct? Let's say this is comma separated string and there is no space in this how comma are comma you. And if I use this split function, let's see what will happen. Okay, so we got only one single list element, right? So this is a list but it contains only one entire string, so split has not happened, correct? And if we want to get individual words of this which is separated by comma, in that case I should use comma as my splitter, right? On what basis I want to split? So in this scenario I want to split on the basis of comma, and if you run now, as you can see, now you got comma separate. Now you got list which contains 3 elements. How are you? So these are individual words. All right. So let me recap what we have done. So this was our agenda, string modifications in Python. So we saw how we can convert a string into uppercase and lowercase by using upper and lower function. We also saw how we can remove white spaces. For that we have used a strip function. So there are 2 flavors of strip, L strip also and R strip also. Then we saw replace, so we replace H with capital W, right? So replace function we can use for replacing anything from a given string. And at the end we saw split function, using which we can split a given string on the basis of space or on the basis of comma or any separator of string words, right? So that's pretty much I wanted to cover in this session today. I hope you have understood and you will use these concepts in your projects. With that, I would like to conclude this session today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.